In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Japan Airlines. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so the site displays in the language you prefer, and you won't waste time hunting through menus. First, open your web browser and go to the official Japan Airlines website. Once you're on the home page, give the page a moment to fully load. From here, shift your focus to the top area of the site. You're looking for the main header menu where key navigation items sit. Up in that top bar, there's a small globe icon. This is the language and region selector, and it's the quickest way to switch how the site is displayed. Click the globe icon. A panel or pop-up will appear that lets you choose both your city and your language. Think of the city as your regional setting. It helps tailor things like local information, availability, and offers. Take a moment to scroll through the city list and find the option that best matches where you are or the region you want to use. Click to highlight your city selection. Right below or alongside the city list, you'll see the language choices. On the Japan Airlines site, there are only two languages available for the interface: Japanese and English. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. If you're switching from English to Japanese, expect the navigation labels and system messages to change accordingly. If you're switching to English, you'll see the site refresh into English throughout. After selecting your city and your language, look for the confirmation button, usually labeled Select. Click Select to apply your choices. The page will reload and your new settings should take effect immediately. You'll notice the text across menus, forms, and help sections now reflects the language you picked, and regional details should match the city you chose. If you don't spot the globe icon right away, glance to the top right of the header. On smaller screens, it may be tucked near the menu toggle. If the panel doesn't appear when you click, try pausing any content blockers for this page and click again. And if you ever want to change the language back, repeat the same process. Click the globe, choose your city, select Japanese or English, and confirm. That's all there is to it. With the globe icon, selecting your city and choosing Japanese or English, you can switch languages on Japan Airlines quickly and confidently.